welcome to ET Garage. Today's video is just a short update video. I am waiting on stuff. For anyone who didn't see it, I was at Pocono Raceway doing Track Night America, and my speedometer stopped working. I'll leave a link up here at the end of the video. And so I need, basically comes down to is I need a new VSS, or vehicle speed sensor. Now I could drive without it, and just calculate my speed based on the tack and gear I'm in, or use one of those GPS apps on your phone. But I don't like doing that because without it, your torque converter will not lock up. On a 90 Corvette, also the vehicle speed sensor, it doesn't go to the dash like earlier C4 Corvettes. In 90, they started running the VSS directly to the ECM, and also I believe that has some effect on how the car runs. Whether obviously it can't. The computer, the ECM, has no way of knowing how fast it's going, so you can't do like the torque converter lockup. So you're burning a lot more fuel, and it just ain't good for the car. But another thing is, I got my intake apart. The reason I have my intake apart is because I'm upgrading the injectors, and injectors came yesterday, but they were the wrong ones. So those got sent back, and from what I can tell, that guy ain't going to send the new ones until the old ones come back. Maybe I'll go into that in the next video. I don't want to go into it now, but I will not be buying fuel injectors from them again. Let's just put it that way. Anyway, it's going to be raining all weekend, so I'm not going to have any car show videos. And the only other plans I have right now for this car, there's a bunch of stuff I want to do, but I just can't get in the mood to do it. I want to take these rocker panels off on the bottom. Another thing I want to do is something with the underside of this hood. It looks like hell. Paint it up or something. I used to keep the fender wells real nice and clean at one time, but I drive this car so much it just doesn't make sense. This car is almost up to, it's probably at 248,000 miles, but it's just below that, and because the VSS stopped working, it doesn't record the odometer. That's driving either. Supposed to have rain all week, so that's all I can do is wait for the right injectors and the VSS, which should be here tomorrow. As soon as that comes, I'll do a video on how to diagnose and replace that. And I don't know if I'm going to do a video on the injectors. I've done that before. Once they're in, I got to recalibrate the tune, of course, and all that good stuff. But like I said, it's just a short video. Update everybody, and that's about it. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.